Hey guys, how's it going? How to spot verified profiles easily on Elite Singles. So look for a verification badge, right? And then check their profile completeness, right? Review your profile activity. Active profiles with regular logins and recent activity tend to be verified. And read reviews and feedback. Some profiles might have user feedback indicating positive experiences. Be cautious of generic profiles. Profiles that lack details or have overly professional photos may not be verified, so look for authenticity in descriptions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.